the AMC 8, question 22. In a sequence of positive integers, each term after the second is the product of the previous two terms. The sixth term is 4,000. What is the first term? So for this question, it reminds me of Fibonacci sequence. The only difference is Fibonacci, every number is a sum of the previous two numbers. This is a product. And then we don't know the first term, we don't know the second term. Let's assume the first term is A, the second term is B. The key property of this kind of sequence or Fibonacci sequence is if you know the first two numbers, this whole sequence is determined. So let's see, the next term, third one is going to be A times B. Next one is going to be A times B, so it's AB squared. Next one is A squared B cubed. Next one is going to be A cubed B power 5. Here the rule we use is when you multiply powers, you add them up. So 2 power 3 times 2 power 4 equal to 2 power 7 because you have 3 2's times each other, you have 4 2's times each other. When you multiply them together, you get 7 2's multiplying each other. So that's a property we use. And of course, A is technically A power 1, B is B power 1, so that's how the math works out. When you see this format as a sixth term, you'll probably start to realize what this question is asking you for, because this is equal to 4,000. How do you find out A and B? Well, you're going to do some prime factorization. So try to prime factorize 4,000. I'll do it here, but if you're already familiar with how to do this, you can skip it. 2, 2,000, another 2, 1,000, another 2, 500, another 2, 250, another 2, 1 to 5. Then you might quickly realize this is actually 5 power 3. So the whole thing is 2 power 5 times 5 power 3. So what is A? What is B? Well, match them together. It's A power 3, so A is 5. And B power 5, so B is 2. And be very careful. I know 2 is less than 5, but the first term is A. It's not the smallest term, so the first term is 5.